Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to do the wheel brakes on this 22 Chevy Silverado HD 2500. Before you replace the brakes, make sure you have the fluid level between the maximum and the minimum line. The fluid needs to be right in the middle before you do anything. So we're gonna compress the caliper using a screwdriver. Push it all the way in. The good thing about those brakes is that they don't have an electronic parking brake, so it does have one, but you don't have to actually put it in service mode before you do anything. Alright, so now we're gonna unplug the brake wear sensor. There is one on the passenger side rear of the vehicle. And we're gonna use this tool to remove the harness that is plugged, that is attached on the side of the caliper. We're gonna remove those one-time use brake roller retainer. You can just junk, you don't need them afterwards. They put them when they were at the assembly line, and you don't need them afterwards. Now we're gonna remove the caliper bolt. Those are 16mm. Let's break it free. And now let's remove our caliper. Now you hang our caliper using a bungee cord like this. Let's inspect the slider pins. Let's take out the old pads. And we're gonna remove the caliper bracket bolt. Those are 21mm. You need a very long 1/2-inch ratchet to remove it, because those bolts are very tight. And you need a lot of leverage. That's why I put the car higher up in the air, so I can use my full body weight to get them off. Now we're going to disassemble the caliper bracket. Take the old hardware and clean it. Clean the caliper itself, because usually when you buy the brake pad and rollers, it comes with those hardware. If you don't, you might have to buy them separate. So we're gonna remove our holder here, tap it with a hammer, and wiggle it out. Let's inspect our parking brake. Now we're gonna clean the hub to make sure it's flush when you put the new holder. And we're gonna clean our caliper bracket here. You can use the wire brush for this. It's not necessary to use the cookie wheel or the angle grinder, however you wanna call it. And grease our slider pins. Good. Now when you install those things, make sure you follow the orientation, because they have to go in a certain way. Now we're gonna take the rust protection off our holder using brake clean. You can use soap and water. And now we're going to tight our caliper bracket bolt, 21mm. Those brake pads go in a certain way with the label on them. One goes on the outside, one goes on the inside. Grease the front and the back of the pads. And install our brake wear sensor. Good. And make sure you plug in your brake wear sensor. Attach it to the caliper and plug in the harness. And pump your brake pedal before test drive. Thanks for watching.